Are you thinking about opening a Charles Schwab brokerage account but want to know how to buy stocks?
Yep. Do you want to know how easy it is and looking for a video to show you how to do it step by step?
Well, if that's you, stick around because in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to buy a stock using Charles Schwab. And we're going to walk you step by step so you don't get lost.
Yep.
Hi, I'm Nadia.
And I'm Nicole.
We're financially independent twins who have made it our mission to help others master every aspect of their money.
We make easy to understand investing and personal finance videos on a weekly basis with the point of teaching you how to become financially free.
So if that sounds good to you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now, let's jump into buying some stocks.
Charles Schwab.
I might even buy something else too. Okay, guys. So I've logged into Charles Schwab. And I want you guys to now see that on the top, you have a feature that says trade. Here is where you can buy and sell your investments. So here you can sell and buy stock slices, stocks and ETFs, options, which I don't recommend if you're a beginner, mutual funds, CDs, bonds, futures. Okay, so let's start off with the stocks. All right, so I want to buy Target today, but I only want to spend $300. So I'm going to look up Target. I don't know their ticker, but look, I find it here. Target's ticker is TGT. All right. So next you'll go to action. Here you can choose if you want to buy, sell, or sell short. Again, I don't recommend you selling short either when you're a beginner. Okay. So let's say we're buying today. Now, if I wanted to pay the price that everybody is asking for right now, they want to sell Target at $179.98. People offering to buy it at $179.35. The last time Target sold was at $179.82. I don't want to pay that. If I chose to pay that, I would put in something called the market order. That means I'm paying what the market is asking. I'm just not even going to negotiate. I'm just going to buy it at the price they're willing to sell it at. But what I would like to do is book a limit order. Limit order allows me to set the price of how much I want to buy of a share. So instead of saying $179.82 or $179.88, I want to pay $179, just to give an example. Now, what I'm going to do here is you need the calculator to calculate the amount of shares you're going to buy. So based on the price of $179 and me wanting to spend $300, I'm going to put in, I want to spend $300 based on the share price of $179. So it will calculate it. And it says, okay, if you only have $300 to spend and you only want to buy it at $179, you can only purchase one share. That's because 179 times 2 is more than 300. Okay? We want to make sure that our reinvest dividends is clicked on. And we're saying today is day only. I only want this trade to happen for today. If it's tomorrow, I don't want anybody to sell this to me at this price because I don't know what the price may be tomorrow. It could be lower. Or what you can do, if you think the price of your setting is too low, you can change the timing of this trade. You can say day only or good until cancel. It means keep this out here, these instructions out here until I cancel them. Fill or kill means, okay, give me all of the shares I'm asking for, or don't give me any at all, or fill it immediately or cancel it. Okay, so we're going to say day only. What I'm going to do is review my order. I said, look, I want to buy Target, one share, and I don't want to pay more than $179. And this is only going to be for today. There are no commissions on Charles Schwab for this type of trade. So the estimated amount is exactly what I will pay. There's no commission, so I know I'm only going to spend $179. You read your order message. Dividends will be reinvested. That means I don't want to get paid my cash dividend. I want it to go back into the company so I can buy more shares. And you place order. All right? Hope that was simple. Now let's move into another one. Let's say I wanted to buy a ETF. Right? Now, let's say I want to buy the ETF SPY. Okay? That's the S&P 500. And I want to buy And let's set the price again. We don't want to pay a market order. Set it a limit. Right now, they're asking $362. Last person paid $362.66. They're asking $362.74. I want to pay $362, say 65. Okay? You don't want your limit order to go too below the market because you may or may not get hit. So, calculator, say I have $1,000 that I want to spend on this today. Calculate it. It says, okay, at a price of $362.65, you're able to buy 2 shares. I'm going to say, let's do this for today only again. Review the order, reinvest my dividends. Looks like I'm good to go. I'm buying 2 shares at $362.65. That equals to $725.30, $725.30. I'm paying no commissions, so the trade is free for me to pay. I'm only spending the money that I want to invest. And I just place my order. Done. All right, so guys, we hope that you found some value in this video. Show us some love and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe, okay?
And on top of that, we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.